Hi and welcome back to Rad Riders. I've just received a package from a company which I've used for a number of years now. As it's grown and got bigger, it's got better. So much so that this company now sponsored the Euros 2024 in Germany. You guessed it, it's AliExpress. So I was looking for a pair of crash bar bags for my Himalayan 450. And I was asking around to a couple of people and they're saying, oh, go for the Krieger, they're really, really good. Very, very expensive. And then a friend of mine's got the Lomo bags, which are really, really good priced and very, very good quality as well. So I was looking for these pannier bags. There's lots and lots of them. Lots of different companies selling them, lots of different companies offering different prices. But then you've got to add on your VAT and of course you've got to add on your shipping costs as well. So look out for the free shipping. It's normally free shipping over £8. So there's a couple of things that I ordered and I've received today, and I'll let you have a look what they are. The first one is the crash bar bags, and of course when the postman came, he came in the usual AliExpress Euros 2024. I have opened this because I don't really do unboxing videos, but when I got them out I was very, very nicely surprised. Now I went for the ones without the logo because the ones without the logo was actually £2 cheaper. Was I bothered about the reflective logo? It's going to be on the crash bar, so no, I wasn't. So looking at the quality of these bags, they're a roll top bag and they're 8 litres each. Lots of buckles and straps to tie them down. And of course the hard backing on the back to keep it secure. And now I've looked at the Lomo bags and I've looked at the Krieger luggage, and yeah, of course you are getting a lot for the money, but you are paying a lot for the money as well. Looking inside, there's even carrying straps. Yeah, very, very good quality. I got two, a pair of these, and the price that I paid was £18.59. Free delivery plus the VAT. So they came in at £21.80 delivered for the pair to my door in 7 days. 7 days. There's a lot of UK companies not delivering in 7 days. But I've got to say, the quality of these for £21 for two, that's going to take some beating. So I'm going to get them on the bike. I'm got a trip to Wales booked next weekend. So I'm going to pack those up and see how they fare up and test how waterproof they are. They look pretty well put together, and again, they're all tapered seams. But very, very good quality for the money. While I was out there, another thing that I wanted was a drinks carrier, a water bottle carrier. So I went for this cup holder. Good, solid, sturdy plastic. It's elasticated, and then you can pull it tight and clip it over. And it also comes with an adapter that works on a 22 and 25mm. So you can actually adjust this so you can have it upwards, sideways, and it's very, very sturdy plastic. And of course, that should work very, very well. I'll get that on the bike and I'll show you how that fares. The last thing that I wanted, when you're doing long mileage, sometimes you get a little bit of cramp in your hand. Now, I don't have cruise control, but I saw these gadgets, and these gadgets was made from a very, very well-known company, a UK company, but they were £20. So I went on AliExpress, and one came in the package today, and it's one of these little things. They clip on your handlebar and basically sit like that. It's not a cruise control. A cruise control would keep the distance and it'd be very expensive. £2 delivered. The whole idea is you rest your palm on it and you can move without gripping. So we'll get that on the bike and we'll test that. I'm going for a ride out tomorrow with Dave. We're going to do some gloss up and Yorkshire trails. That'll be interesting. It's going to rain, 30% chance of rain. So as me and Dave going to put about 100 miles on the bike, probably about 130, and that will get me to my first service, which I can't wait to get it, and it's booked in next Tuesday. So as for now, I'm going to get this stuff on the bike. Next weekend we've got our Wales trip for 3 days and 2 nights. So that'll be packed up. I'll be testing this stuff out. If you want to see how it goes, please subscribe to the channel. It's completely free. If you want any of the links to any of these products, I can leave them in the description below. Give us a comment, give us a like, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. My name is Mike Lyon. You've been watching Rad Riders. Take care. Bye.